All right. As you guys may know, I do quite a lot of videos, especially when I travel. Um, However, the one thing that I kind of like, I always wish I had is a good gimbal. Because whenever I take videos and whatnot, it's always kind of shaky, especially when I'm doing something or when I'm walking. And then a friend of mine, Richie, also recommended a gimbal. Again, like I said, they tend to be quite expensive, so that's always a barrier to me. But my brother's brother-in-law, he got a really nice one for like 80 bucks. So he recommended it to me, and well, I got one. It's not 80 bucks, it's a little bit more expensive than that because he got it for like a flash deal or something. But still, I still got it for cheap considering the original price is $140, or yeah, $140. I got it for $100. It is the, hold on a sec. It's these, I'm not sure how you say it, Zhiyun Smooth Q is this. So we'll do an unboxing, okay? All right, ladies and gents, this is the unboxing of the Zhiyun or whatever you say it, Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer. All right. I already took the plastic covering off. And this will be the first time I've opened this thing. Come on, come off. I'm excited. Come on. There we go. The thing with me is I've never used a gimbal before, so this should be pretty interesting. But I know what they're used for, and you know, I see the effects on other people's videos. So here we go. Ooh, okay. All right, it's got this plastic covering on this thing, and with the instruction manual and the peripherals, probably charger and what's this? Oh, a strap. Okay, check that out a little bit. So let's open this thing. Wow. All right, so the case is shaped like a mini guitar box, or like a vinyl box, or however you want to see it. There we go. Let's open this. Voila. This, ladies and gents, is the Zhiyun, whatever, Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer. So, okay. All right, there's the micro SD card, or micro SD slot, controls, power button, modes, QC passed with little slot there, probably for like a tripod or a monopod if you want to add to it. It's a little heavy. Feels a little plasticky, but not quite. It seems like it's good build quality. Zhiyun has been known to make, you know, good quality builds as far as my research goes. All right, so the phone or the GoPro camera should go down here and it'll stabilize it, so it's not as shaky as if you were kind of like moving around and walking and whatnot. But later in the week, later in the week, I'm gonna test this out, and I'm gonna do a vlog going to Paradise Pup to, I think, excuse me, to the best burger I've ever had, and I'll take you there, and we'll use this gimbal here, 3-axis stabilizer, on my camera so that you guys can come with. But that's it. Peace.